2 Sundays ago I was here and Apostle said that, we must sow our offering, and whenever God bless you with $1,000 seed, we not go back to the $1,000 seed, we must raise it.
Some of you listening to me, some of you right here, your businesses, whatever, change the grade of your seed and try not to go back to the old seed. That means if it was $1,000, push and go 2 and you go back at 1,000.
Me I tell the church, me in here and me have my last money, me and my daughter and live so good. We no agree none at all, not even call, me can't call her and text her, she don't want to hear nothing from me. You understand? And I take out the last money, I separate just my bus fare. And I say, God, I want you send her home. But I got him and say, all right, Pastor said, God, I go, if we believe, we sow, I'm going to multiply, we see that 1,000 times more.
If you have a crisis, I'm saying, do something you have never done before. Write down what you're believing God for, change the quality of your seed, and claim 1,000 times more. Then come back, come talk to Pastor.
I'm separate just my bus fare and sow. And when I go home, I pray and it's like I forget about everything. And by Tuesday, remember, me get blessing 1,000 times more than when I sow. And when I feel like that was enough, but then home Friday, I'm here and knock, but when I say, I don't expect nobody. And when I open my door and see my daughter, I tell you this are the tears of weakness. I tell you this is tears of joy. And I just want to tell you, say, the power of the seed, it works. Glory to God.